So hello my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. So here I am to give another topic and talk to you guys, give the current energy and a chitty chatty video. Yeah. So let's get started, and today for the read we're not gonna use a tarot deck, but we are gonna use one of the oracle decks that I'm very inquisitive to use about, and it's very important for today's video. That is the Goddesses, Gods and Guardians. So we're gonna talk about all the spiritual family, we're gonna talk about the karmic, we're gonna talk about the divine masculine. Today, very specifically, because I'm representing a Shani energy, I want to highly talk about, the careers. Let us talk about the careers of the divine masculine and the karmic in the twin flame journey and what role it plays. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk about that. Okay, and obviously the divine feminine, I need not mention the word divine feminine. Okay, it's by default included. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna give this a shuffle. Hardly shuffle matters because I'm gonna try to decode as maximum as I can. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick the card, but first let's talk about this concept and topic and all of that. Yeah, so firstly, what happens in the career phase of a divine masculine, and why is he, in a way you can call it, not achieving the success, or what exactly happens, why they go through this phase, why is there a downtime, what exactly happens in a divine feminine's career exactly, and why karmics succeed in their career. So all these topics will be covered in today's video. Yeah, so firstly, so I am a divine feminine. Let me give you a little bit of idea why I'm talking about career today and why at this point of time, because now I'm in this close to achieving physical union. By the way, dude, I just love Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika's marriage looks, and because I'm a huge fan of jewelry, I just loved, dude, Vijay Deverakonda, wearing, representing men jewelry. Absolutely loved it. Yeah, so A+ for that, and yeah, I hope I can personally wish them. Yeah, so okay, so I am a divine feminine. Yeah, I'm a divine feminine in which my twin flame chose career over me. So kind of this topic makes sense if I share it, right? Anyway, I pick all the topics I can, and when the divine guides me. Yeah, so I am that what do you say, I am that divine feminine wherein the career was chosen over me. Yeah, so everyone have a different scenario. Some have the karmic, some choose family over the divine feminine, some choose a karmic over the divine feminine. In my case it was career. Yeah, so what exactly happens? So remember that always the concept that divine feminine represents abundance, represents purity, represents which is truth, and everything Parvati and Sati are. I want to even consider Sati. Remember that Sati's life is also supremely important, because when her father insulted her her husband Shiva, Lord Shiva, she took the step of jumping in the fire, right? So even Sati represents what is Parvati. Yeah, so when you are representing all of this, so in this journey, so like I said, Sati and Parvati represents all of this. So in this journey, remember that, like I always used to give in the starting of my videos, example that your person has to walk to Australia to actually come to America. You know, like an example, not telling Australia is a karmic place or something like that, just to give a typical example and a scenario. So your person has to go the opposite end. He has to go to Arctic to come to Antarctica. So you're getting my point? So your person, see, I feel like all these are just mediums. Like, you know, for example, like choosing over career or choosing the karmic or choosing, you know, family, all these are like, you know, just different scenarios. Yeah, wherein it's just like a reason. Yeah, so your person has to walk to the opposite end. So what was in my case chosen career? Yeah, so what he left, like when he leaves, for example, in my case, when we was unawakened, he left what? He left his, in a way, career, abundance and all of that. Yeah, so if your person chooses family over you, yeah, then let me tell you, anything he chooses, remember that there is a shani involvement here, a karmic attachment here. So in my past life, you know, maybe he could not pursue career due to me, you know, love with me. Remember that Sati phase is like a honeymoon phase. So you see Lord Shiva and Sati, they had the perfect marriage till it ended abruptly, right? Even when Lord Shiva wants not to go for this yagna, like she goes, right? So it's an abrupt end, like a sudden tower, like a sudden, something that happened sudden. So the honeymoon phase, like, you know, Nazar lag jana, it's like that. So yeah, they say Nazar is real, right? So that scenario, right? So that, all that she, you know, Sati, you know, after she was reborn, like she had to take 108 births to be reborn as Parvati. So there was a evolution, a growth, the soul evolved. Yeah. So that, you know, now put it in this scenario. So in my case, you know, since we left his career, abundance, everything, me, that has a shock, like a shock wave. So you may be thinking that when your person chooses, you know, karmic over you, for all my folks on third party. Yeah. So let me tell you, even very few scenarios, if, let me tell you, if there is no karmic involved, if the karmic is not in a sexual, physical, romantic involvement with your person, consider that like some good yoga of your past life. Yeah, because I know what divine feminines go through, including myself, if there is this very powerful karmic. Yeah, I feel like singing this song. ఎవరైనా చూస్తుంటారా నడిచే నక్షత్రాన్ని, ఎదురొస్తే ఎగబడిపోరా నేనే ఆ చిత్రాన్ని, నేం పండిస్తున్న రైతునై చిరునవ్వు తోటల్లే, పరిపాలిస్తున్న రాజు నేనే తోటి కుండన నన్నన్న, ఎవరైనా చూస్తుంటారా నడిచే నక్షత్రాన్ని. Yeah, so the folks who are my South Indians know what this song signifies. This is one of actually my favorite songs that I stopped listening due to obvious reasons. Anyway, I just love this song. Yeah, actually this song won, I think, Nandi Award or something like that. Yeah, this song is, actually this movie is also very good. Yeah, so anyways, coming to the point. So, you know, consider yourself good luck that if, you know, if there is a karmic family, it is like, you know, let me tell you, the most least pain, the least. So yeah, so when, you know, it is a karmic family, let me tell you, it is all your work in the past life. Yeah, maybe we did less work, but let me tell you, I feel like I did a lot in my Sati life, because let me tell you, from a pink aura, I evolved to a gold aura. There is also the reasoning to that, and I'm going to tell you in this video. So I was a pink, I was a very bubbly person even in my past life. Sometimes I feel like the bubbly side which my Rohini Nakshatra represents, that is, I'm tapping into Geeta. Yeah. So I'll tell you, when my karmic, you know, locked me in, you know, in her own house. Yeah, in my twin flames house, when we were in the Sati phase. I keep hearing this statement. Let me tell you, I used to watch this dream a lot in 2021 especially. Yeah, 2020 and 2021, especially during lockdown. Yeah, the COVID lockdown. I used to keep hearing, even 1 centimeter sunlight should not come. Like she used to tell her folks, to lock me that there is not even a 1 inch of sunlight, yeah, coming, like no light. I was in pitch darkness for 2 3 years. Yeah, I was locked like that. Yeah, in my past life. Let me tell you, my DM was searching for me, but he never knew that I was staying in the same house, that I was locked in the same house. Like, in a way, it is like a jail. So when I busted out, so when I suddenly, I put you in a dark box, like a coffin, and I was put in this dark room, like in the basement, where it was pitch black. Pitch black. Not 1 inch. I keep hearing this statement wherein, my karmic keep telling me, not 1 inch of sunlight needs to come. Like that it was a phase of darkness. I was put in darkness. Yeah. So when I busted out, when I escaped, in fact, let me tell you, my karmic lied to my DM that I ran away to India. Like, this was my story in UK, London, right? So I ran away to India, I married somebody else. Yeah. So that was a story. So he was a lot in anger. You have to watch the movie Manmadhudu. Nagarjuna's exact scenario happens, wherein he feels like the heroine ran away and she left him and she married somebody else and she's super happy. But actually in the movie she dies. But her family hide that. Yeah. So same scenario. So when I came out, so when I busted out for the first time from this jail, and after 2.5 years, I keep hearing that 2.5 years, I busted out, and when the first time the sunlight hit me, that is how, I channeled that first sunlight to gold aura. Let me tell you, being a gold aura is not at all easy. I'm not telling that because I am gold aura. Because my evolution from that pink to gold, then from when, that phase, I started my journey, that is how my Jupiter is exalted in my chart. Even moon is exalted. So, right? So, like this, you would get all dreams and scenarios. Keep hearing that not 1 centimeter sunlight should follow. Like, that much pitch dark. Like, she took out that frustration on me. Yeah. So anyways, now coming to the scenario. So, whatever your person chooses, for example, if your person feels like the love with the karmic is the best, yeah, it is like ultimate, it is safe life, the life with the karmic is best, that would crumble down. If your person feels like, career is best, with the karmics would be there, let me tell you. So that would come crumbling down. If your person chooses family over you, family would ditch him. So any scenario. So yeah, so now let me tell you, gold aura. So one thing what gold aura has, nobody can steal it, is career. Gold aura always, in all the auras, it's like sun. Like all the planets need to revolve it. Nobody can steal their career. Now you understand why my divine masculine chose career over, me. But that point of Deepa, that point of time Deepa to this Deepa is hell lot of difference. This is 2026 Deepa. Yeah. But, the same thing that he leaves, the same thing he has to see, suffer. Why? Why all this? Is for you to be Shakti. For the divine feminine to not be just Parvati, but be a Shakti, Shiv to Shakti. Yeah. So that scenario. Yeah. So what your person, like for example, if he chose karmic over you, let me tell you, he has to see you in love with somebody else. Yeah, he has to see all this. That is why soulmates are put. I always tell, soulmates come in a twin flame journey for a soul purpose. You have to respect it. I am somebody that was with my my soulmate for 3 years. 3 years is a very long time, dude. Yeah. So respect it, respect this journey, respect its pace. So what does Shani talk about? Respect the pace, because God knows when to give you this, when it is the right time for union. Stop having timelines. That is why it is called divine timing. There is no timeline. You have to, like, with whole soul dedication, wait, which a purple aura can't do. I'm gonna tell you in the purple aura video why this aura flaws in this. Yeah. Okay. So I have seen that all the divine feminines, the other auras, this dedication that they have for this journey, that dedication I don't see in this. So yeah, now you get it, right? So your person has to choose the other way, because let me tell you, when you achieve a union, your person should not have 1 centimeter, 1% doubt that it is not from his heart and soul. So when Shiv came to claim Parvati, he did it with whole soul and heart. Yeah. So okay, I'm gonna. Oh my God, even this deck has sun, guys. Yeah, the sun and moon. Okay. So we have Isis sacred contracts. Yeah. So what does Isis talk about? So it, in African culture, this is one of the premium deities. Yeah. So let me tell you, I'm gonna pick another card. Oh my God, did we get a Kalima, dude? Spiritual transformation. So this is all, let me tell you, you are like multi-dimensional, the Parvatis. So, like I told you, the gold aura, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna come to cards, yeah. So the gold aura, like if you see Priyanka Chopra, what a Aishwarya Rai, what a Sushmita Sen could not achieve, a Priyanka Chopra did in the international platform. Like she brought this huge stardom, yeah, in the international, like the Indian from India heritage. Like, even a Telugu movie, like Varanasi is being promoted, like my Telugu movie, yeah, at a global level. Yeah. So remember that I've understood. My father used to always tell that always concentrate on your career. I used to be like, why my dad keeps telling me this from when I was a kid. Always be self-independent, focus on your career and all of that. So losing him kind of, let me tell you, I was working from when I was 18 only. Yeah. So now it makes sense. So go reflect back in your story. So Isis, all this, both the cards are. So both the cards talk about the same energy, yeah, which is nothing but, transformation. Go tap into your spiritual transformation, yeah. So let me tell you, I had this dream. I think it was in 2021 only. 2021 was a very high, maybe it was the year of 6 Venus, yeah. So, that year I tapped into a lot my past life. Why I was doing that? Because that side V was, facing a dissatisfaction in his career, the exact thing which he left me for. Yeah. So there was a realization. Remember the realization when your DM regrets, goes through a, death card, like a, a transformation, like a phoenix. Even the thoughts, like, oh, I did a mistake, I should not have done that. All these thoughts also trigger. So 2021 was, very significant, change in my divine masculine. That is why I was able to tap into, like, let me tell you, only if the divine feminine is doing, nothing you can achieve. Both have to do. Because if I would be the one doing, I would have, in 2018 this channel would come. Yeah, in 2017-18 this channel would come, but it came in 2021. Why? Because the other side, my divine masculine, was opening, like, opening up, coming to facts realization. So that if your dream channeling is happening, yeah, watch my, other upload wherein I talk about sleep routine, wherein you will be able to tap into your dreams. Dreams are nothing but, your past, present, future, everything you can see in your dreams. That is why sleep routine is very important in Twin Flames, which I have already uploaded that video about, wherein I speak, right? So in that, I saw that my V was collecting my Padma Bhushan. Huh? So I had this dream. So yeah, when I had this dream that my V was collecting with, the kids, my Padma Bhushan on my behalf, I was like, बाप रे ये क्या चीर फाड़ रही हूँ, what am I doing that I'm getting this? Padma Shri तक इधर, scene नहीं है. So I was like, okay, dude, that dream really like pushed me. So in your journey, there would come both the cards signify that, dude. You know when how Parvati is when she takes the Kali robe, yeah? Wait, we'll pick another. See, when I think about Kali, I used to tap into a lot of Kolkata, yeah? Because that place is very high for that. Or is it 2 cards, 1 card? Yeah. So we have what? Thoth, divine masculine, dude. You can see how he's like opening his eyes, right? Exactly. No wonder I felt like called. Actually, I wanted to use Muse Tarot today, but the minute I opened my cupboard, I saw this deck and oh my god, I want to use this because I'm talking about all this today, careers. So I was like, oh my god, that dream kind of shaked me. That I am doing something. I'm doing something that is making me get this. So the same thing that your person leaves you for, he has to see you succeed. Yeah. So if he's leaving for you for leaving, it's a temporary. Let me tell you, it's a temporary. From unawakened to awakened, he would come. Eventually, he has to, come. Yeah. So yeah. So what is that check? Okay. Here, Shani also plays a very huge role. Like, Shani is the tester. Like, he tests with these various scenarios. Because let me tell you, Shani is the divine feminine side. So if he's making you wait that this will come with perfection, stick to that. You cannot decide the timelines because, it depends on how long your divine masculine is also going to take. Yeah. But till then, let me tell you, you have to keep doing your things. Life has to go on. So yeah, so when I kind of, by the way, let me tell you, today I kept my light super near. So literally it's zooming my face. I felt, because I don't know, I felt like the light should be near me. Otherwise I generally keep it here, but I today kept it here in the right angle. Yeah. Anyway, so let me tell you, these lights which we use for shooting and all are super harsh, dude. Let me tell you, I feel like super, like something is piercing in my, any other, like a person like me in modeling and in film field understand why these lights are like, how much they trigger. So yeah, in my future home, I want to keep the lights like from the ceiling. You have these soft boxes wherein you can keep all of this. I'm a very techie girl, guys, because I'm a computer science engineer. Yeah. So, okay. So what was I telling? Yeah. So I'm getting the channeling to stop. I think, I want to do these short 15-20 minutes videos because let me tell you, the energy shouldn't go for a toss. Yeah. You can watch it on a repeat, right? So what exactly is happening? So yeah, now another topic which I forgot to tell is the karmic career. So what I have seen is these karmics have a bomb career. Let me tell you, they are very good in acting, they're very good in modeling, they're very good, in profession like lawyer or doctors or in medicine or in government, something like ye log cheer fad rahe. They have very good career. They're very talented also, let me tell you. Yeah. Like I said, Yavaraina Chusantara or Bharata Vedamuga. Yeah, anyways. So they're very, very talented in what they do. They are like provided with unlimited money, I feel like, to target the divine feminine, to target the divine masculine. Let me tell you, so we were also in, so yeah, I'm in this phase wherein I can dance on this song. Actually, she kind of like started this trend of top and that skirt. Whenever I sing this song, like I remember the outfits. Yeah. So I see flashes of us dancing together. I have completely like 100%, 100% healed. Like nothing triggers me, nothing like my past. I feel it like, I left it. Even both the life, Sati life and this life, I've attained a space of peace. So if my first, like any advice that I would, like how does it feel this side? The physical union, this side, it is peace. A peace that no one can distort, no one can trigger, no one can change it, no one can, do anything. So I see us like dancing and all. Actually, if you see karmic and, I no longer want to even call her karmic. They both are like, they become friends down the line, best friends. In every story differs, remember? Yeah. So, down the line, because both have same interest, both like same things. Yeah. For in example, in my case, we both love to be in front of camera. We both love to dance. We both love have this bubbly side. Actually, let me tell you, I during this phase studied the karmic a lot to also make videos on my channel. What exactly is happening? So I realized, oh my God, when you actually understand that both karmic and divine feminine have a lot of similarities. Yeah. So it kind of in the last, like everything is like chill pill. Yeah. So that is it I have for you guys in this video. Yeah, Yavarina Chusantara Nadiche Nakshatrani. So I introduced a Telugu song to you guys. So that is it for this video. Yes, my lovelies, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video with the next another topic. So stay tuned. Let's see what I'm gonna cover. Yeah. So even if I pick only three cards in this God Goddesses, let me tell you, it's a very short deck. Like I think it just has 30 cards or something. Yeah, but whenever it makes a lot of impact in this video, right? So karmic is not the karmic anymore. I want to say that. I actually made a video wherein I said that karmic is not in our karmic energy. Yeah. So in your scenario, if for example, when you are in Parvati life and you are a particular aura, there is a backstory. Like I told you, my pink to pink to purple, pink to gold. Yeah. So yes, my lovelies, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Mwah. Bye, guys.